In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you a method of how you can make money using icons and patterns. In fact, I'm going to show you two ways that you can make money with these icons and these patterns. It's not affiliate marketing. It's all 100% free to do, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. All right, so if you're interested in seeing a nice little method to make money with icons and patterns, stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. But for those of you that are new, anytime during the video, reach down below your video if you haven't already done so, and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. All right? Well, all right, let's go ahead and that down out of the way. Let's go ahead and get started on this. The website that you want to come over to is this site right here. It's called Flat Icon. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's flaticon.com. You see it right here, and what this is a site where people come here to this, and let me tell you that the traffic is high, which I will show you here in a minute. That people come here and they can buy vector icons and stickers and interface icons, animated icons, and more. So if we click on, for example, icons here, that's what we're going to be dealing with today. You can see that there are trending icon packs. These are icon packs that people like you and I that have created these things, and they're selling them right here on this site. I'm going to show you how you can create these icon packs here real easy here in just a moment. And so they come here, and people can come here and buy these, and when they buy them, whoever made them makes money. They get paid from that, right? As you can see, there's just all kinds of different things and popular styles. All the different ones, you can click on these and see them and stuff. Like this one right here, if we were to click on it, it loads all these up, and you can see these are look like elements, like here's iron and so on and so forth, off of the periodic table of elements icons that are going on right here. And each one of these can be edited individually as well too, just by clicking on them, and it loads it up in the editor right here, and you just click edit right there, and then you can download it and so on and so forth and add it to your collection. That's not the way I'm going to show you how to do it today. The way I'm going to show you is a little bit easier than this. So what we want to do is to come back here, and if it'll take us back here, yeah, and so on and so forth. So like I said, people can come here and they purchase these icon packs, and then whoever makes them makes money, and I'm going to show you now how you can make money with that as well. So what we want to do is we want to come back to the flat icon thing here, and as we scroll down, you can see some of the top icons here, some of the top stickers, and so on and so forth, with different things about this that you can read about here as you come down to this place here. But what we're interested in is right here. It's become a contributor and earn money with your creations. There's over 500 designers around the world already trust them and use this site. So what you want to do is you can click right here, register and activate your account, or you can come up here to the right at the upper right and click register right here. Now, when you click register and you sign up, you can sign up with your Google account, and you can sign up with your Facebook account, or you can create a local account right here on this site. And when you do, my guess is they're probably going to send you an email confirmation. All right, so you want to get that checked out. But now I'm just going to sign in with my Google account right here. So I'm just going to click sign in right there and click on Google, and that should sign me right in here. Alrighty, and you can see that I'm signed in right up here on the upper right. Now what you want to do when you get signed in here, alrighty guys, and when you get logged in here up the site right here, what you want to do is scroll all the way back down to the bottom, and you can see right here under become a contributor again, it wants you to activate your account right here. So we want to click on that, and it's going to bring us over here to this page right here. It says become a contributor, change the world designing icons and start earning money. And it says right here, it's easy enough, just sign up, share your best icon packs, and earn money, and so on and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead, and they got us logging in again on this particular page right here. I don't know why, but they do. So you just want to go ahead and click on login, and it's going to come up with this right here, and then just click on that right there where it shows your user number right here, and then click on that, and that should log in, and it does. Now it brings you over here to where you see your dashboard right here, and you can see your icons here and so on and so forth, and your stats and so on. And you can even see right here where when you've made money it will show up right here as well. And then some of the different top picks in the flat icons there. So then what you want to do now, that's how you get into the back dashboard, and this is where you're going to upload your icon packs right here by clicking upload under my icons here. Now what I want you to do, come over to the editor. Now there's no easy way to get to this particular page like they used to have a nice way to do this, but I know how to get there anyway. You want to come over to this page right here. This is the editor right here, guys. What you want to do is you want to type in the address bar of your browser, flaticon.com/pattern. See that? /pattern. This is the editor right here where you create your icon packs at. And as you can see here, we're under packs right now, and there are all kinds of, we got emojis here, we got all kinds of different things. I mean, guys, it just goes on and on and on down through here. All kinds of different icons that you can edit and work with and create patterns and things like that. So for example, I like this linear ancient Egypt elements patterns right here. So if I click on that, and that loads it up over here into the icons side. It moved from packs over here to icons, and you can use all of these. I mean, you can just drag and drop these in here whenever you want, and you see, and it puts it in there for you. You can put anything else in there you want. I mean, and just put in all kinds of things, and then in each one of those can be moved around or whatever, however you want. And also you can edit them. You can edit each individual one here or delete them out of there. So let's just say, for example, if you're not happy with what you chose out of here, and you can actually even, rather you didn't want to choose how to do it, you can just simply do it yourself like this. So if I click clear down here at the bottom right, it's right behind me. You can't see it, but there's a clear button there. That's how I cleared this out. And then you come down here, you see where my mouse is right here on random pattern. And if I click on that, it'll just load up random characters from our icon pack right here and put them in there, and then we can simply drag anything else we want and put it in there as well. I mean, it just doesn't make any difference. And then so on and so forth. And if you don't like that, click random pattern again, and it'll flip them around and give you a different one. See how easy that was, guys? And then you can just add in whatever you want to add in yourself there. And I mean, you can just put anything you want in there, as much as you want, and so on and so forth. And then once you get it, your pattern of icons the way you like it, and you're finished with it, you want to come down here at the bottom left corner. You see where my mouse is right here, and you want to download that. So click on download, and then you want to choose the SVG right here. And the reason why you want to do that is because when you upload, so if I come back here to my icons and I click on upload right here, you see right here it says SVG icons. You see it right here, guys. Upload. It says upload, and then we will turn them into different file formats required on flat icon here, and then they will be up on this site for sale. But you'll want to read these things right here. It says your icons must meet our quality standards. We reserve the right to accept them or reject them. And but you're using their pattern creator, so I would think that the quality is going to be pretty good, right? All right, and then you want to follow the guidelines. Be sure you read and understand their design guidelines right here, which I recommend reading that, probably an ebook, and just read that. And then it says your your pack of icons must be between 20 and 50 icons. Well, I'd say that's pretty close to maybe 20 right there if you're counting each one of them, or maybe those are individual, whatever. So you just simply add more. It doesn't matter. You just come back and you just add any more in there that you want, and just keep adding them in there, and so on and so forth. And then when you're happy, then download it. And then once you're downloaded it, go ahead and upload it. Just come right here and drag and drop the file right there, and just simply click right here where it says upload. Upload it to them. They will take a look at it, and once it's approved, you're on this site. And guys, let me show you. I told you I'd show you this. If I bring out my similar web, you see we're on flaticon.com right here. And if I load this up, you can see the monthly visits here are 11.4 million people come to this site every single month, guys, looking to purchase icon packs and stickers and things like that. And if they buy yours, you make money. That's the first way right there that you can make money with this particular method, guys. Alrighty, now here's the second way. What if you come over, now you've got this particular tool that you can use here, and your icon pattern here and everything and stuff. So what if you come back over here and we come to this site right here, Fiverr. You see it right up here in the address. It's Fiverr.com. It's one of my favorite sites. I talk about it quite a lot in my videos because there's so much that you can do on this site. Well, the one other thing we're going to do is we're going to make money using our icons from Flat Icon here, right? So what we're going to do is, I typed in pattern design right here in their search engine, guys, and look what it does. It brings up people that are selling patterns, and they create patterns. Like, I will make a unique pattern design. You think you could do that with flaticon.com? I would think you can. You can do any of these. It doesn't matter. Look at all these different people are selling these pattern designs on here, and you can do the same thing on flaticon.com, guys. You can make patterns just like this. So what you want to do is get signed up here. If you're not already a member of Fiverr, click on join, get signed in. They will send you an email confirmation. Get signed in, and then click become a seller and pattern your gig after one of these other ones right here that you see. Just pick one, and you can read down and look at their pictures and stuff, and you can create all the icon patterns that you created on Flat Icon. You can upload them right here for pictures on yours that people can see, just like what you see here. And then read about their gig and all that. Don't copy exactly, but sort of pattern yours after theirs. And then you create your own, and you want to make sure that you come down to the bottom and you get a hold of some of the tags that are similar to what other people are using. You're allowed about 5 tags on your gig. And then create your gig here, set your price similar or average to what of these other ones are set. Like this is 25 on basic, 35 standard, and 50 on the premium, and telling about what they'll get for that money, as you can see right here. So what you want to do is create yourself a gig on Fiverr using your flaticon.com website and your tool in Flat Icon, and begin to sell your patterns and your icon patterns right here on Fiverr.com. And that is the second way that you can make money using flaticon.com pattern creator. Guys, if you like this particular video and it gave you some value, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the algorithm on YouTube. And if you have any comments, that's the video I had for you today. Got any comments or questions, just leave them down below in the comment section, guys, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my formula for revealing high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there below at the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. and come over and come through my funnel and see my free video presentation that'll show you the formula on how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, making possibly thousands in one day's time. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. Don't forget to watch the videos that you saw pop up here of how to make money as well online. Those will help you too. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you in a couple of days or so. Take care. Bye-bye now.